A very good morning, dear students. This is me, Shinde Vidi. Once again, I welcome all of you in my video lecture. We have been dealing with a very realistic and touching poem of William H. Davis, that is Money. We have seen actually, we have been dealing with the actual analysis of the poem Money. We have seen two stanzas. In the first stanza, we have seen that when the poet was rich, he was not happy. He was missing something. Maybe he was missing happiness. But when he became poor, he became happy. At that time, he had many friends, but according to him, those were false friends. Those were not his real friends, and they were connected to him not because of the bonding, love, affection, but because of the money he had. According to him, his condition was like a child who had a trumpet, that is a toy, but doesn't have permission, freedom to blow. Like the child, our poet had money, but he could not speak out of the fear. Okay, that is the thing. After that, we will move towards the third stanza. Much have I thought of life and seen how poor men's hearts are ever light, and how their wives do hum like bees about their work from morn till night. Morn till night, that is morning till night. Now, much have I thought of life and seen. According to him, I pondered of life. I thought of life. It means, according to him, he thought too much about the life, and he had seen that poor men are light-hearted. Poor men are very happy. Uh, uh, Actually, they are happy always, though their wives do hum like bees. Their wives do humming. Look at that here. The humming, actually, it is a sound. When do we hum, or when we actually sing song? Whenever we are happy. How their wives do hum like bees about their work from morn till night. It means, even though the wives of poor men have grudges about the work they have been doing from morning till night, but they are happy. Actually, our poet has thought about life too much. He had seen life too much, and according to him, poor men are happy as compared to the rich men, rich people. Actually, poor men uh, poor men don't have fear about the accumulation of wealth, or to keep that wealth aside, or they don't have fear that what will happen to their money or other things. They are engaged, actually. They are engaged in fulfilling their daily needs. They think about their basic needs. They don't think about their standard of living. They don't have fear about their wealth, and that is why they are busy and they are happy. Okay, it is told in the third stanza. Next stanza. So when I hear these ones laugh and see the rich ones coldly frown, poor men think I need not go up so much as rich men should come down. So, according to him, when he hear these poor ones laugh, it means laughing at it. It symbolizes happiness. And coldly frown. Frown means furrowed lines on the forehead, always worried. Okay, that is, it symbolizes sadness. According to him, poor men are happy. They are laughing, but rich men have worries, anxieties. Okay, so according to him, it is a need of the time that it means, look at that, how actually it is a minute uh, observation. about it means on one hand poor men are there but they are happy, on the other hand they rich men are there, they have money but they are not happy. It means if you have lot of money but you are not happy, what is the use of wealth, what is the use of money, what is the use of your richness? So according to him, if rich men have to be happy in their life, they have to become poor. Okay, that is the thing. So next stanza: when I had money, money, oh, my many friends proved all untrue. But now I have no money, oh, my friends are real, though very few. Look at that here. O apostrophe is used, and the O, the same O, tells us, first O tells us about the happy mood, and then that is sad mood, or the second O in the same stanza tells us about the happy mood of the poet. Look, when I had money, money, oh, my many friends proved all untrue. So the same lines which are present in the first stanza, those are repeated here. When the poet was rich, when poet had money, he had friends, many friends, but those were his untrue friends. Now he became poor. He have no money, he has no money. He has very few friends but he is happy. The O says, but now I have no money, oh, my friends are real, uh, though very few friends are there but they are very real friend of our poet. So this is it about the poem Money. We have seen the each and every stanza in detail. We will see the figure of speeches and brainstorming section in the next video. Up to that, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.